Hi students, so we'd like us to review assignment 3. So I'm going to save this file as 03 simple chat. That was the assignment. We're just building up on the simple chat program. Hopefully we'll ever reach a place that is close to ChatGPT. Okay, so this was the assignment. This was assignment 3. We were to modify this program so it asks, it just tells whether the person is older than the program, because the program was born or is of age 12 right now. So we were to just check if the person is older or younger. Okay, but then I gave you, let's start first with that. So here it was just as easy as if, okay, remember the age of the person is right here and the age of the program is here, my age. Okay, so if age is greater than my age, just print out and you are older than me. Okay, else if not, they must be younger than you, and you are younger than me. But then I asked you about what if they're also age 12, they were born in the year 2011. So let's see what happens when so let's run. Okay, so let me expand this. What's your name? James. When were you born? 2011. Nice to meet you, James. You are 12 years old and your name is 5 characters long and you are older than me. Why? When actually we should be the same age. Okay. When was your parents born? Oh, your parents are 3 years old. Okay. So this is correct generally, but what if they're same, they're the same of age? So we need something called elif. I haven't talked about elif, but I've been trying to not talk about it, but let me just talk about it. Elif is where you want to add other extra conditions. If this, else this. But what if you have so many conditions? If you don't give me money, you have to give me this. If you don't give me that, you have to give me and or else. Not just 2. You might have 3 roads. We've been talking about only 2 roads, left or right, but you can have 3 roads. And you need to take one of them depending on a condition. So elif is that where you add extra conditions. So elif here you have to put the condition. So you say elif age is the same. Okay, what's my age? Then we are age mates. Okay, so elif this, we are age mates. Else you are old, you are younger. So this should not be younger. This was older. If age is less than my age, if age is less than my age, I am older than you. Else you are older than me. Sorry, I mixed it up. So he's still older than me. So let's go. Sorry about that. Let's run it. Go. What's your name? Jen. Jen. When were you born? 2011. Oh, we are age mates, yeah? Because they're actually age mates. And then you go to 3 years. Then how about, let's run again the same. What is your name? Jackie. When were you born? 2010. And you're older than me, and you're older than, why twice? We'll fix that. When was your parent born? 1988. Oh, goodbye. Okay, fine. So there's something we are getting wrong somewhere. And you're older than me. So, oh, and you're older than me. Why is it putting older than me twice? Oh, sorry. I wrote this code twice. Okay, good. So let's come here and just put the code here. So, okay, good. So, I don't know how I wrote it twice. Okay. So let's run it again. This time, what is your name? Jack. When were you born? 1988. Yo, so you're 35. Nice to meet you, Jack. So you are 25 years old and your name is 4 characters long and you are older than me. That's true, they're older than you. And what was your parents' year of birth? Let's say 1940. And then, yes, parents are 48 years older than you. Goodbye. Okay, so I hope this was clear. This was all that was required for this assignment. Okay, just a recap. Check if is their age. This is their age. Is their age less than my age? If they are less than my age, it means I'm older than them. So, and I'm older than you. If they are the equal, elif or else if they are equal, this is called else if in full. Else if their age is the same as my age, then we are age mates. Else, because those two conditions have not been met, then the third one goes without saying. There must be, or you must be older than them. So, and you're older than me. But if you wanted to maintain the same English subject verb, subject object, and I am older than you, this could be, and I am younger. I am younger than you. It makes it just easier to think about it, okay? And you're older than, and I am older than you, or and I am younger than you. So it just makes it easier, but the same thing. All right, okay? So that's all. I hope you're enjoying this series. We haven't even started yet, so very nice things coming along the way. See you there.